First I'm going to draw the branch. It's just a wavy line, and I'll make a few little branches, and a leaf, and a leaf, and a leaf. So now I'm going to do a little bird, and I'm going to make him singing. So I'm going to start with the beak, and I'm going to say he's just got his beak wide open and he's singing. And a bird is very easy to draw. It's just a line like that, and then a big line like that. So make his little feet. He's standing up high because he's singing so beautifully. And there's his eye and his wing. Now you can make some little feathers and some little musical notes. So now once you have the basics, you can just go ahead and add more branches with leaves. And that's how easy it is to do a little bird. Don't forget to sign it and date it. Hang your sign in a window when someone's having a birthday, hang it on the fridge, or turn it into a birthday card.